Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. So, Assalamu alaikum. This is Misbah Sajid, and I welcome you all to my channel Taaleem for everyone. In this video, we are going to cover work example 6 from chapter number 3, Approximation and Estimation. And this example is just related to the topic estimation. I have just deeply discussed the topic estimation in detail, and it's already on my channel. Okay, so this chapter 3, Approximation and Estimation, is from New Syllabus Mathematics Book 1 and D1. So let's start work example 6. And if you're using this textbook, so you may find this example on page 72. Okay, so here it's our example. So let's read out the statement of question, not question, what example said. So Shirley evaluates 31.5 plus 9.87 minus 2.1 using a calculator, and she sees that the answer is 392.7. Shirley एक girl है, according to her, when she solved 31.5 plus 9.87 minus 2.1 using a calculator. जब उसने calculator में ये values put की तो उसने कहा कि जो answer आ रहा है वो 392.7 है. ठीक है, अब हमने ये बताना है कि ये आंसर सही है या नहीं है, और कब बताना है, when we estimated over these three values. जब उनका आंसर आ जाए उससे मैच करके बताना है whether Shirley answer is reasonable, correct or not. Then we have to use a calculator to evaluate actual values 31.5 plus 9.87 minus 2.1. Then we have to decide whether our estimated value is close to actual one or not. Okay, so let's estimate our actual values to the nearest whole number. So 31.5 is rounded up to 32 to the nearest whole number, 9.87 to 10, and 2.1 to 2, rounded down to 2. Okay, 31.5 and 9.87 to nearest whole number round up हुए, and 2.1 जो है round down हुआ. क्यों हुआ, आई होप सबको जो है पता होगा जिन्होंने जो है मेरी वीडियोस प्रीवियस 3 A and B से related जो है देखी होंगी. Okay, so when you add according to board mass rule, 32 plus 10 minus 2, so 32 plus 10 is 42, and 42 minus 10 2 is 40. So if we compare Shirley's answer with our estimated answer, then we can see that Shirley's answer is not reasonable, it's wrong. Okay, now we have to put all these three values in our calculator. अब हम अगर calculator में put करें, here I have put all these values in my calculator. It is basically scientific calculator. I'm using scientific calculator over here. It is already installed in my cell phone. So 31.5 plus 9.87 minus 2.1 using a calculator, I got 39.27. So it means that actual value and estimated value both are close to each other. So using a calculator, the actual answer is 39.27. Hence, the estimated value 40 is close to the actual value 39.27. So I hope so यहाँ तक आप लोगों को समझ में आया होगा. हमारा estimated value and actual value both are almost close and nearest to each other. Okay, in this way we can now completely says that हम कह सकते हैं अब कि शिरले आंसर जो है वो completely wrong है. ना ही वो एस्टिमेटेड आंसर से मैच कर रहा है, ना ही एक्चुअल आंसर से. ओके, सो आई होप सो यहाँ तक आप लोगों को समझ में आया होगा. अगर आपको किसी भी किस्म की कोई भी क्यूरी हो, सो यू मे कमेंट योर क्यूरी एनी टाइम. ओके, सो thank you for watching. If you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel Taaleem for everyone, and hit like button and press bell icon ताकि मेरे आने वाली हर वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपको सबसे पहले और बर वक्त मिलती रहे. So thank you once again. Allah Hafiz.